So these are the Melona ice cream bars, frozen dairy bars, whatever you want to call them, with a honeydew melon flavor. Now I'm not like the biggest honeydew fan, but like go ahead and try one out anyways. And they're dairy free, I believe. Are they? Gluten free, no fructose, high fructose corn syrup, and no trans fat. And apparently the texture is like a unique combination of like the cute, chewy, creamy kind of ice cream and popsicle, which I thought they were the same thing, but I guess not. But okay, well, nice little cube shaped bar. Zoom into the picture. Oh my god, it's not a bad. Oh my god, it smells exactly like honeydew. Okay, I'm not a honeydew person. I'm not a melon person, but I'm gonna try them out just because who doesn't love ice cream? And apparently they have like other flavors too. I think strawberry and like a few other melon flavors. I don't know, but it's the only one I saw up there at H Mart, and I don't know. Maybe if I go back, I'll see what else they have. But yeah, I'm go ahead and try out this little honeydew ice cream. Okay, let me stop whining. The color looks so much more vibrant on camera than it does in person. Same with the bag. But yeah, go ahead and try honeydew ice cream. Okay. First of all, the texture is like kind of smooth and like soft in a way. And I like just took out the freezer. Cause it's like I don't know. Like I'm not one of those crazy people that bites in ice cream. I'm sorry, listen, that's you, cool, but me, but it's almost like it's a weird smooth texture. It's kind of weird. And it does taste like honeydew, but I'm not mad at it. It's actually really good. Kind of crazy. Okay, so I can like nibble a little chunk off of it. Oh, I'm so cold. Cool. But I thought I would hate this, but I don't. I'm not gonna like convert to like eating honeydew, like right that. But I do like it. It's like not too sweet either. Very smooth texture with this. I don't know. Are all ice creams like this smooth? Like, probably not, but like this one, holy hell! It's like I don't know. It's just. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's made from like actual honeydew melon. I don't know. I didn't make this up in the factory, but it is very similar. Tastes really good. It says like no high fructose syrup, corn syrup in it. So like the sweetness is there. It's just very smooth. Very smooth, creamy texture. It's kind of weird. I like it. No. Ooh, okay. Wow. I imagine I love honey with ice cream. Personally, it's great. But like I did buy it to H Mart, so I will link it. I find it on the website, or probably use the We link maybe. I did buy the H Mart. So I'll find a link somewhere for this one, or you probably check like whatever local Asian grocery store you guys have near you, maybe. But if I find it, I'll link it. kind of want to try the other ice cream flavors now. So, okay, Korea, you kind of told me a little bit on the Honeydew ice cream. Not so much fruit, but ice cream, yes. No Pepsi, but not for you. You eatery. Go away. But, yeah. This Melona Honeydew ice cream popsicle, whatever you want to call it, a dairy dessert bar. Yeah, I'm with it. I like it. I would buy more of these now. So yeah, you told me on ice cream, any flavor, but I'm not buying any whole honeydew melon at the store anytime soon. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, and whatever I'll see on next video, whatever the hell gets picked or voted for or something I choose. I have so much stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, and probably get started on whatever art project I need to finish, cause I'm long overdue. I know, but yeah, you enjoy this, and yeah, bye. Let me stop rambling. Now people are texting me.